Almond flour keto bread recipe, your low-carb baking guide. The traditional bread, laden with carbs, is not compatible with the low-carb, high-fat principles of a keto diet. This is where almond flour comes in as a savior for those craving a slice of bread without breaking their dietary rules. Almond flour is not only low in carbs but also high in healthy fats and fiber, making it an ideal ingredient for keto baking. Understanding almond flour. Almond flour, made from finely ground almonds, is a staple in gluten-free and low-carb baking. It's rich in nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and, importantly for keto followers, it's low in carbohydrates. Ingredients: 2 cups of almond flour, 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, melted 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Optional, herbs or seeds for flavor, like rosemary, flax seeds, or sesame seeds. Instructions. 1. Preheat and prepare. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper or grease it to prevent sticking. 2. Dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine almond flour, baking powder, and salt. If you're adding herbs or seeds, mix them in with these dry ingredients. 3. Wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs. Then, add the melted butter and cream cheese, stirring until the mixture is smooth and well combined. 4. Combine mixtures. Gradually incorporate the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring to avoid lumps. The batter should be thick and consistent. 5. Transfer to pan. Spoon the batter into the prepared loaf pan, using a spatula to evenly spread it out. 6. Bake. Place the loaf pan in the oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cooling. Allow the bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips for perfect keto bread. Quality of almond flour. Use fine, blanched almond flour for the best texture. Almond meal can be denser and may affect the bread's consistency. Avoid overmixing. Overmixing can lead to a dense bread. Mix just until ingredients are combined. Egg temperature. Room temperature eggs mix more easily and help the bread rise better. Customization. Add a personal touch with herbs like rosemary or thyme, or seeds like sesame or sunflower for added texture and flavor. Serving suggestions and storage. This almond flour keto bread can be enjoyed in many ways, as toast with butter, as a base for sandwiches, or even as a side with soups. Store it wrapped in a cloth or paper in an airtight container. In summary, this almond flour keto bread is a fantastic alternative for those on a ketogenic diet or for anyone looking to reduce their carb intake. The bread is not only nutritious and low in carbs but also has a delightful taste and texture that even non-keto dieters will appreciate.